Hey there! Glad to have you here. If you're someone who uses Google Sheets regularly on your Android phone, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to add any Google Sheets file to your starred section for easy access. Let's make your workflow faster and smoother. First, open the Google Sheets app on your Android device. Next, find the file you want to add to Starred. You'll see all your recent or saved sheets on the home screen of the app. Then tap the three vertical dots next to the sheet you want to star. After tap Add to Starred. This will mark the file as important and make it easy to find later. Now, to access your starred files, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Finally, select Starred. Here, you'll find all the files you've marked, including the one you just added. Thanks for watching this quick guide. Adding sheets to your starred section helps keep important files within reach. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out more tutorials.